This pisses me off to no. Oh my god. I can't just leave him here. We gotta cut something. Let me see. It's all lilies. It's all lily pads over here. Holy shit. Snagged it. Let's hope that didn't go in the boat. Let's try it that way. It's difficult with this many weeds. I know I can do a weedless version of this, but I'm gonna try something else first. I am gonna try. And it's not really the ideal time to use a top action, time of day wise. You know what? Sometimes the fish aren't doing what you want them to do. Shit. There we go. Okay. So let's toss you over there. So we got a frog on our lily pad. Just gonna hop across the lily pads. There he goes. Just kind of see, and he doesn't get snagged. looking at me, Swan. Don't do it. Hey guys. How you doing? Well, they let me pass. Here's the fun part. Let's just get this rod right down, just because it's gonna be a little tricky. Fucking Christ.
Lawn and rocks. It's extremely shallow here. This is the greatest place to be right now. Can't really walk out of here either, so it's not that shallow. It's all mud on the bottom. You can sink right to your waist and you can die. I almost feel like a little paddle. Like I didn't make this in half or something. Again, it's too shallow to actually fish right here. Unfortunately. This is probably something living in here. I'm going over some monster fish as we speak. Just trying to take my foot. The towel getting hooked. Birds. Hey, what the fuck is that? Ew. I'll definitely watch the boat when I get on. You can see how shallow it is on each side of me. It's probably only about 3 feet deep right here. And then it banks up on each side of me. See the paddle hitting the ground.
Oh, there's a fish. Not exactly easy in here. Oh, wow. That's pretty awesome, eh? Not sure if you caught that. I'm not sure if this caught that. This huge carp just leapt out of the water right there. You know what? Let's just see. Let's see what we can do. I don't think it'll catch it with this, but it's so shallow right here that it's just crazy. Like, but you gotta be careful of this. Some of these carp are like 5-6 feet long, and they hit you. So you're gonna know it. Again, the water is only like 3 feet. I just saw a silhouette right there. Now this is a snow goose who, for some reason, is still here, still sitting on the dock. 5 months later. Hello, goose. Long time no see. So, why are you still here? Hey, buddy. So, as you can see, the dock is broken. Temporary closed. Please stay off. So, but I didn't realize it. Hey, buddy. Oh, sorry. But anyways, that's the snow goose that seems to live here and poop everywhere.